All right, so we have our giant Reese's among our regular Reese's. Now I'm gonna grab some sweetened condensed milk, and we are gonna do a nice little drizzle of the condensed milk on our Reese's. Oh, this is gonna be such a delicious dessert. Whoever gets that middle piece is gonna get the best peanut butter surprise. Yes, okay, that looks perfect. All right, let's go ahead and move this just right here as I grab my bowl and my whisk. Now I'm gonna grab my triple chocolate fudge cake mix, and we're gonna use that whole box. I love this one because it has little chocolate chips right in the cake mix. Now, this is a peanut butter treat, so I'm gonna grab my Skippy creamy peanut butter, and we're just gonna do a nice scoop of peanut butter right into our cake mix, just like that. All right, now I'm gonna add 3 eggs in there. Beautiful. We're gonna do half a cup of vegetable oil. Use the same measuring cup. Less dishes, you guys know I'm all about less dishes. And finally, 1 cup of whole milk. I like using milk instead of water because it just makes a creamier cake. Bring back that whisk, and then let's blend all of this together. Woo! It's kind of like a peanut butter chocolate cake mix. That looks delicious. Okay, let's move our pan back to its spot. I did grease my pan, by the way. And then let's just drizzle that right on top of those Reese's and condensed milk. All right, it's the best I can do. And then just use our spatula to kind of spread that from edge to edge. And remember, that cake is gonna rise, so eventually that huge Reese's will be completely submerged. All right, we're not done yet. I have these Reese's chips, the peanut butter chips. We're gonna do a light sprinkle just right on top. Nothing crazy, put some on that big one. Because the more peanut butter, the better, right?
I agree with that.
Okay, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for 45 minutes. All right, while that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab a bowl and another spatula. I have here some whipped cream cheese. This is the 12 ounce, and we're gonna use that whole entire container. Right in there.
Is there a reason you're using the whipped cream cheese over like the standard cream cheese?
You could use like a softened cream cheese, but I like the whipped because it's just easier to mix together with our other ingredients. All right, we're gonna go in with some Skippy peanut butter, and we're gonna get a nice scoop right in there. Woo! See, this is why I use my scoopers. You guys told me to use spatula, and look I'm making a mess now. I blame you guys.
It looks good. Why are you blaming me?
No, my audience.
Oh, awkward.
All right, now last ingredient is some powdered sugar, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right in there. Perfect. Okay, take our spatula out. We don't need that anymore. And then we're gonna grab a whisk, and we are gonna mix this together. Okay, that looks well mixed. Let's make sure to clean off our whisk. Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious, right babe?
Yeah, it does. This is the best part about that whisk, is because there's no end.
Yeah, it's super easy to clean up. Oh, Juggy wants some peanut butter. Can you hear him?
Yeah, he loves peanut butter.
Okay, perfect. Let's check on that cake. Oh my, okay, so we let this cool completely. It smells incredible. It baked perfectly. I went ahead and put our frosting in a piping bag, and we are just going to pipe that right on there. It doesn't need to be perfect. We have something we're gonna throw on there to make it look perfect.
Oh, the frosting looks so perfect.
Thank you. Okay, get all that frosting on there. Oh my, doesn't that look delicious?
It looks so delicious.
Nice thick frosting. Woo, okay. Just kind of get those parts we missed.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I love a good piped on frosting.
It looks like a pipeline
Yeah.
of awesome.
Delicious. Okay, like I said, we're gonna put something on there, Reese's Pieces. Look how pretty that looks. All right, let's go ahead and get a slice. All right, let's go ahead and cut into this. Remember, we got those mini Reese's and the condensed milk. Oh my gosh, look how crumbly that is. Okay, time to dig in. Oh yeah. Oh,
I want to see it.
that looks so good.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, it smells so decadent.
Wow.
Woo!
It looks delicious, man.
Okay. I'm too excited. Mmm.
Is that good? That looks like you're pretty satisfied with it.